I'm Amy Wagner with your Allworth advice. This camera right here can be a real lifesaver if you ever lose your wallet. The website Travel Awaits recommends you take photos of several important items and store them in your phone. If you lose your wallet or purse when you're traveling, you're going to need to have those photos to speed up the process of replacing everything. You may also want to share those photos with a family member traveling with you or even staying home. Here's what you need. A driver's license photo, snapshots of your health insurance card, your credit and debit cards, your car license plate if you're driving your own car, your passport, and possibly your will and power of attorney documents. If you create a folder on your phone with all these photos, add a list of your medications, who you're traveling with and their information, your hotel info, your itinerary, your doctor's name and number, and a list of your emergency contacts. All of this information helps you and any law enforcement when time is crucial to protect you and your financial matters. Here's the Allworth advice. Of course, you need a strong password on your phone because if you lose this and someone can get into your photos, they've got all of your personal information as well. With your Allworth advice, I'm Amy Wagner.